Mga shoutout mga langga, welcome back again ng Black Vlogs 2020. Today is nag-pick up ako ng mga ng mga things na pinili ko, and then nag-pick up ako ng ko for sa aking supporters, sa aking therapy. So nag-pick up ako ng pang-support sa aking braso, pang-support dito. Of course, nung naglalakad ako here sa dito lang sa Bravo Murillo, is may nakita akong isang restaurant. So isang restaurant siya na it's tinanong ko kasi, this is the first time na nakakita ko ng ganito. So yung pagkain nilang food nila, pero parang ako medyo a little bit, alam mo yung parang a little bit medyo fuerte. I mean is parang medyo hard. What I mean is matapang ng amoy. So let's see kung masarap siya. And sabi nila this is halal, which is parang Saudi food, but yung mga sauce nila is pagod nila ng sauce is tawag dyan from Peru. So let's see. So here's the food, guys. So I'm gonna show you what I ordered. So this is chicken, and of course French fries, and of course they have rice here, no? Rice nila, and a little bit of salad. So let's see, and of course they have sauce there, which is ito yung yung tawag dyan, yung mayonnaise. So look at, guys, kung yung paligya. It's a nice place, no? Maganda pag nila, and then parang mo is very very clean, napaka-clean ng nila. So this is, so let's try the food. So again, chicken, and of course that one. So let's see, sumali pa yung pagkaano ko. So this one, so tomato, lettuce, carrots, and this is the rice, no? Along rice, and of course French fries and chicken. So let's see. So let's eat kung yung siya. So the place here. So this is the mga bamboo show nila. So let's see, guys, kung masarap yung their food, no? So let's see kung talaga yung tawag dyan. Yung bago hindi ko wala kasi medyo maraming rumors here na medyo maraming mayroon, alam niyo na yung katulad sa atin, para maraming so let's see and try their food now. So let's see, tingnan natin kung yung so this is the mayonnaise, nila. So sa nagtatanong bakit yung yung aking eyebrow, no, na medyo lighter siya. So pinano ko na kasi yung before, kasi medyo siyang maratal. So inano ko siya, pinaayos ko siya uli, and of course inano ko sa hair. So this is the first coat pala ng micro bleeding. So this coming 23 is na siya, may second na siya, retouch. So let's see kung maging result niya. So pinamapa is na siya, pinaano ko lang, hindi siya masyadong very 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 dark. So natin yung bag natin. So try natin. Yung nila, this one, French fries with their sauce. Let's see. Medyo okay yung sauce, kasi yung sauce nila yung manghang. Pag sauce nila, hindi ba mafeel ang anghang niya, no? Pero pag naano mo na siya, pag sa lalamunan mo, nandoon yung lalabas yung kanyang anghang. So yung sauce ng pang dito sa spaghetti, sa French fries. Good. Not yung rice. Yung rice is okay lang. Medyo naglalaki sila ng something sa rice na medyo tumapang ng rice niya. Yung lasa. Ito pa. Ano, parang talagang matapang. Tingnan natin guys yung chicken. Let's try. Tingnan natin chicken guys. Yes. The chicken approved. Okay. Kasi yung ano, yung rice is litos. Sa ano guys, sa rice medyo matapang panghang yung ano yung sauce. Kaya, ano, ang sauce ng rice. So good. At saka yung chicken guys. Hindi siya masyado ano. Yung chicken is hindi siya dry, very soft siya. Sarap na guys. Masarap. Yummy. Kaya sinasabi ko yung rice lang, sobrang tapang. Grabe. Alam mo guys, maubos ko na. Grabe. Sobrang. Halos kalahit. Halos lahat ng makain dito makalain nila. Ako lang naiiba. Ako lang naiiba. At ako lang medyo maputi. Dumadami na sila. Thank you so much guys. So that's it. Thank you for having always me. Simple love, love, love. Bye bye. See ya.